Good afternoon, Manjunatha.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I am from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your end. Yeah, just give a small introduction about yourself, Manjunatha.
Myself, Manjunatha. I am from Bangalore. I have completed my degree civil engineering in STJIT Ranibennur.
Okay. So, how do you come to know regarding CMTI?
Basically, my brother is also working in civil industry. So
Okay.
one of his friends told him about CMTI trainings and job placements and all. Regarding that, they told my brother about. I was also searching for training and a job also. Then my brother referred me.
You have done advanced construction management course plus building information modeling, right? What
Yeah.
are the topics you have learned? You can a little bit briefly tell us.
Billing estimation, bargaining schedule, and we have done site visits also regarding.
Okay. Yeah. So, how many site visits you have done? How interesting your site visits were to you?
Actually, site visit was good. Was very good. We went for Manichan Swamitwa site visit, which they were constructing G+19 apartment buildings. So actually, it was a very good experience for me to see new things.
So, how much comfortable you was with our CMTI trainers?
Actually, it was very good, very comfortable. They are all very good for talking and all.
Okay.
They share a friendly environment in the.
Yeah, you can tell few points. How did you crack your interview? So, for upcoming student, it will be very helpful.
First, I went for Purvankar interior about interiors, basic things, standard sizes, and regarding site management. That's all.
Yeah, how was our CMTI staff? Did they support you very well? They have coordinated with the class and these things?
Yeah, actually, they helped very lot. Regularly, they were in contact while we were attending the classes. If we were any absence for the classes, they were immediately contact us for asking the reason for leaving the class.
You was using our CMTI app, so it was easy for you to use, user friendly to us.
It's very user friendly to use, and we can easily accessible.
Thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your future, Manjunath. Thank you. Thank you so much.